Good morning to all of you. My name is Riya Raj and now I am presenting a presentation on the topic a project report on the marketing strategy of Nestle company globally and in India. These are the certificates, acknowledgement, declaration. Now comes towards the company profile of Nestle. Nestle is one of the world's largest food and beverage company with a vast global presence and a wide range of products across various categories. As we know, Nestle is a global leader in a food and drink industry. Nestle company is also committed to provide us a high quality of products, nutrition and a healthy products. Let's see the company's overview. Company was founded in 1868 in Vevey, which was in Switzerland, but it was founded by Henry Nestle. The CEO of his company, as per my updates, the CEO of this company is Ulf Mark Sachendra. Its headquarters is in Vevey, which is in Switzerland. The global reach of Nestle is now more than 180 countries worldwide with manufacturing facilities in over 80 countries. The employees, it has around 290,000 employees worldwide. Now the business segments. What is business segments? Business segment means a business segment refers to the subsectional of a company's overall operation in which there is establishment separate product line, which they are separated in different types of product line or in a geographical area. First one is nutrition and health. It can focuses on the nutrition and the medical care or the healthcare products. Second one is the zone, which located on the Europe, Middle East and North Africa. This segment includes wide area of Nestle products, which includes dairy products, confectionery and beverages. Third one is zone AOA, Asia, Oceania and Sub-Saharan Africa. This segment covers Nestle of the Asia Pacific and Sub-Saharan Africa, which includes local taste and preferences. Zone American, it includes food, frozen foods, beverages and pet cares. Nestle company also produces the water bottles, which we all know that Nestle has a Pure Life water bottles, Nestle Profession and Pollard Spring. The findings, you can see the sales of the Nestle company in a geographical area of 2023. In Europe, the 24% of sales, in North America 35%, in Latin 14% and in AO 21%. Now the product portfolio of Nestle company. Nestle company product portfolios has a huge span like food, beverage, nutrition and health science and pet cares. The challenges and opportunities faces Nestle company was that they faces many types of challenges like product differentiation, government and legal requirement, capital requirement and economic scales. The methodology which I have used, first before I got this project, I didn't know about that type of knowledge about Nestle company, but I have used various web information, visited company websites, and from the Nestle company, Nestle websites have been used. I am showing annually performance of Nestle. Now the marketing strategy of Nestle company. Nestle also uses the marketing mix strategy which was its product, price, place, promotion. Nestle company has a wide range of products that are baby food, breakfast cereals, dairy products, cold drinks, etc. Pet cares also and health and nutrition product also. Nestle also done many type of campaigns like they got aware to the children to inspire to eat healthy foods. We all know in India, Nestle has a very downfall of Maggi. In 2024, Nestle has a huge downfall in Maggi, but then also the scale is still at the top because of the brand. The company Nestle India plays itself as a high growth path. The revival of Maggie is a remarkable success for the Nestle customer. They build the customer's trust and maintain the positions of the market even the crisis of Maggie. Now the conclusion. Nestle has a long-lasting brand image that is widely spread in different states. Due to its recognizable face in the global market, the market has continued to grow over the year, thus increasing the revenue collected per given period. That's all. Thank you.